Concept of administration. What is administration? The administration is a systematic process of administering the management of a business organization, an educational institution like school or college, government office, or any non-profit organization. Administrating means directing, superintending the execution, using or conducting of various things. It means that administration involves setting and following instructions and service, which relates to setting up objectives and crucial policies of every organization. The main function of administration is the formation of plans, policies, and procedures, setting up of goals and objectives, enforcing rules and regulations, etc. The administration is focused on the planning and organizing of functions, as well as administrative qualities. It is a top-level activity, above the management. It deals with executive and strategic work. Thus, it must incorporate both leadership and vision. Difference between management and administration. In the study of management literature, the use of these two terms of administration and management has been a controversial issue, and most of the eminent writers do not find any difference between the two terms, while there are writers who maintain that administration and management has got two different functions. According to Oliver Sheldon, management is a lower-level function, and is concerned with the execution of policies laid down by administration. But English authors like Breach and others have written that management is a wider term which includes administration. The terms management and administration are controversial in nature. Different authors have expressed different views on these terms. Some make distinction between the two, while others consider them as same. The words administration and management are often confused with each other. Oliver Sheldon has summarized this distinction as follows: administration is the function in industry concerned with the determination of the corporate policy, the coordination of finance, production, and distribution, the setting of the compass of the organization, and the ultimate control of the executive. Management and administration are both important functions that support the success of any business or organization. Both management and administration are needed in any organization in order for it to function successfully. At a high level, we can say that management is concerned with getting things done, whereas administration looks at how these things are done. According to Theo Hyman, administration means overall determination of policies, setting of major objectives, the identification of general purposes and laying down of broad programs and projects. It refers to the activities of higher level. It lays down basic principles of the enterprise. According to Newman, administration means guidance, leadership and control of the efforts of the groups towards some common goals. Whereas, management involves conceiving, initiating, and bringing together the various elements, coordinating, actuating, integrating the diverse organizational components, while sustaining the viability of the organization towards some predetermined goals. In other words, it is an art of getting things done, through and with the people in formally organized groups. The term management and administration have been used by different management authorities in such a manner, that at some places they seem to be one and the same, at some other places they seem to be different. So management literature presents a serious difficulty and controversy to the beginners because of the use of these two terms. Broadly speaking, management is focused on managing resources, in particular people, and how they are utilized by an organization, in order to achieve a common goal or outcome. Key differences between management and administration under different categories. As to meaning, management, a systematic way of managing people and things within the organization, dealt with simply people. Administration, the process of administering an organization by a group of people, deal with a group of people. As to authority, management, middle and lower level. Administration, top level. As to role, management, executive. Administration, decisive. As to concerned with, management, policy implementation. Administration, Policy formulation. As to area of operation, management, it works under administration. Administration, it has full control over the activities of the organization. As to area of application, management, it is applicable to business concerns, profit-making organization, that is, business organizations. A profit-oriented operation. Administration, it is applicable to non-business concerns, that is clubs, schools, hospitals etc. Government offices, military, clubs, business enterprises, hospitals, religious and educational organizations. A service-oriented initiative. As to decision, management decides who should do it, and how should he do it. Administration decides what is to be done, and when it is to be done. As to work, management, putting plans and policies into actions. Administration, formulation of plans, framing policies, and setting objectives. As to focus, management, managing work, managing people and their work. Administration, making best possible allocation or utilization of resources. Ensured perfect shared from existing resources. As to key person, management, manager. Administration, administrator. As to representation, management, employees, who work for remuneration. Administration, owners, who get a return on the capital invested by them. As to capacity, management, executive and governing. Administration, legislative and determinative. As to function, management is a doing function because managers get work done under their supervision. Administration is a thinking function because plans and policies are determined under it. As to skills, management, technical and human skills. Administration, conceptual and human skills. As to influence, the management decisions are influenced by the values, opinions, beliefs and decisions of the managers. The administration is influenced by public opinion, government policies, religious organizations, customs etc. As to status, management constitutes the employees of the organization, who are paid remuneration, in the form of salaries and wages. Administration represents owners of the enterprise, who earn return on their capital invested and profits in the form of dividend. So, in summary, both administration and management are key managerial activities in the company or organization. Administration sets up plans and strategy, which are executed in the management process. Administration is a decision-making function, while management is an executive function. Management is focused on doing, because managers get work done under their supervision, while the administration is focused on thinking, because it is determining the plans and policies. Disclaimer: the information presented here is merely a collection for respective teaching assignments. Various sources as listed at the end of the presentation as well as freely available material from Internet were consolidated to prepare this learning materials. The ownership of the information lies with the respective authors or institutions.